are back. It's week 2 of a 4-week series I am doing on how to create really cool stories with the app Mojo. And this week is all about testimonials. How to create standout stories that grab people's attention and make them want to read the amazing reviews that your customers and clients are leaving you. Parisi Pack Tutorials. Hey, welcome back. I'm Steph from the Parisi Pack with another tutorial to help you grow your profits and stand out online in your network marketing business. I can't wait to show you how to do this. I know you're busy, so remember to subscribe and hit that bell, and let's dive in. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this awesome story testimonial. So let's head on over to Mojo and I'll show you how to do that. You're going to pop open Mojo. For this one, the template that we're going to use is under marketing. And some of these are pro. So if you don't have the pro version, it's just a couple dollars a month if you decide you want to get it. So here's the one that I used for this, okay, but we're going to change a few things. So I'm going to hit the paintbrush here, and that is going to, we're going to go to format, and we want it to be in story size, right? And then I would just recommend using whatever kind of your brand colors are. So personally, I do a lot of black. So let me choose black for the background. And then for this, I do a little bit of purple. So let's see if I can get purple to show up there. And then I want the text to be white. And then the stars, I'm gonna make those, okay, so for the stars, I'm gonna use a yellow color. Okay, so there's the stars popping up. There's the text popping up. But obviously I don't want it to say that because I am not going to be talking about the best chicken that I've ever had. But I am going to use a review that I've gotten directly from someone in my course. So I'm going to type in some saver text here. So opening up my photos, and I was taking screenshots the other night from my course because I'm updating my course right now. Okay, so Melissa here, let's see if we can zoom in on that. So she says, this is gold, thank you so much. So I'm working on a new version of my Secrets of Social Selling course. It's gonna launch here soon in 2021. So she says, this is gold, and she did it in caps. So much, exclamation point. And then because this is an exact person, I'm going to include her name in here, Melissa Styles. You have your stars that pop up, and then the testimony phrase that someone has said about, be it your product or your service, and then you're going to add in the picture. So here's a screenshot that I'm going to add in that is from my course curriculum on its new platform. So I just want to see how that looks because I want there to be, oh perfect, a white border around it so it really pops. So there you have it. And then if you want to add music to this, you totally could. Most people don't watch stories with music on, but for the few that do, if you wanted to do that, you're going to hit that paintbrush, and then at the bottom here, hit this button music, and then you can add on the different music that's there. For the sake of this tutorial today, I'm not going to add music on right now. And then all you're going to do is click that save button, and then save that video to your phone, and there you have it. Your awesome looking testimonial story that's just gonna stand out from the rest. You could also create this as a Facebook post and modify it to the square version as well. If you haven't already joined my free Facebook group called Create Stories That Sell, we are kicking off a free 5-day challenge to learn how to make even better, more standout stories. Would love to see you there. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Check out my channel for some other Facebook tutorials, and then head on over to stephanieparisi.com to grab something free that'll help you win even more on social media. Share this video, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and hit that bell to get notified when I release another video next week.